Hello viewers, in this video I will discuss the important and very informative MCQs which are being repeated in the lecturer education exams, which are very important with respect to not only for the job purpose but also for the admission tests and for university level education students. As you know that I have started this series which is related to the exam preparation for lecturer education BPS 17, and I hope this will be the last video for this test series, and let's start. Question number 1. Who suggested that mental processes and events are unimportant or even totally non-existent? Answer: Boston. General psychology and educational psychology are dissimilar in that educational psychology is concerned with the various aspects of learning. It means that educational psychology is related to the different aspects of learning. Education psychology is oriented towards the application of the principles and techniques of psychology to the solutions of the problems of the classroom. The primary aim of educational psychology is to contribute an understanding of sound educational practices. Which of the following is not a function of educational psychology? There was 4 options given, and the best answer is to define the goals for which education is to strive. Educational psychology should provide prospective teachers with principles, insights, and attitudes as points of departure for effective teaching. Basically, it is the definition of educational psychology. By what types of theories of human nature, sexual behaviors, and the conditions under which a person may be held legally responsible for his actions are influenced? Physiological. These are two very similar words, psychology and physiology, and the answer of question number 7 is physiological. Logos mean knowledge and psyche mean soul. It is the definition of psychology. What level of consciousness the process of awareness indicates? Conscious. Conscious means the person is active, not inactive or lazy. The function and structure of nervous system includes CNS and PN. In the answer only abbreviations are given. I have discussed with detail in the note written in red that CNS stands for central nervous system and PN stands for peripheral nervous system. Which behavior studies psychology as a science? Social. What is the subject matter of psychology? Behavior. Greeks studied psychology as a branch of philosophy. Psychology began to be studied as a science in Germany in the year 1879. You can see that in the past psychology was treated as philosophy. subject. Then the trend changed and psychology began to study as science. Who established the first psychological laboratory? Wood. The study of occupational information should be handled only by the school's occupation counselor. Counselor plays an important role in this matter. Experience has shown that the most feasible plan for utilizing occupational orientation program broadcast by radio is the direct hookup of the program with all classroom radios. In making occupational field trips, the pupils should option A is be accompanied by the teacher at all time, be prepared to ask questions from their guide, discuss their visits upon returning to school, all of the above. You know that A, B, C all may be the answer of question number 18. So option D, which is all of the above, is the correct answer of this question. In helping students to make educational plans, it is unwise for them to select all their subjects from one field. It means that a variety of subjects should be taught to students to broaden their mind. A pupil should definitely be encouraged to go college if he has better than the average intelligence, he has financial backing to see him through, he has met high school graduation requirements. Option D is the correct answer, which is all of the above are true. The problem child is generally one who has an unsolved problem. If a problem of a child is not solved, then that child would definitely create problem in future. By emotional maturity is meant a extreme patience or sympathy towards problems involving other people. To educate according to nature means to educate according to the law of nature of human development. Which of the following is most likely to be characteristic of the ineffective teacher? Emphasis upon the control of the immediate situation. Which method of the research probably contributes most to the advancement of educational psychology as a science? The experimental method plays an important role for the advancement of educational psychology. So the answer is the experimental method. Psychology is the science of behavior. Education requires general set of methods focusing mainly on systematic observation method. Who was the father of experimental psychology? William Wundt. Introspection method was used mainly in structuralism. I think this is the last one. Who rejected introspection as a legitimate method of study? Watson rejected this method. And this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your family members and students and colleagues and friends, so that they should be benefited from this information within a very short span of time for their exams and job tests. And finally, please remember to press bell icon for updated videos on my channel, so that whenever there is a new video, you will get a notification without any hindrance. And once again, best of luck for your exams and study.